Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you know what it is. Rest in peace, Mac, don't trip. Gotta thank Coda for the hit. Hobby turn a hobby to legit. Now we body every bitch. Still a bushy bitch talking that bullshit. So why you throwing shade on me? Cause I just do my thing low key. But naked while I'm doing Tai Chi. Never.
Good morning. It is so early. I did not get to bed till midnight. My best friend flew in like really last minute, so I picked her up from the airport last night and then we got food. So I got minimal sleep. We are currently icing my toe. I didn't break it because there's like no bruising and I've broken toes before. It wasn't like that bad. I was doing my laundry last night at my parents' house and I ran into something in the basement. It's a really good time over here. Welcome to a week in my life video where we are going to work and also finding our life balance. Cheers. At least the tea is good. We're having some Greek yogurt on this fine, lovely morning, and I am gonna watch some YouTube just to wake up a little bit so that I can be fully present. And then we'll finish getting ready for the day. At least I have my scrubs laid out next to me because this is gonna have to be like a quick change situation today.
Say, won't you kick it with some logos, babe? Lot of winning on this side. We don't fuck with that side. Pussy got a rap vibe. Boy, that shit blessed. Get the piece for the black guy, not a contest. Keep the vibes high, not a parachute vest. I'm a free fall, you could call it like a ref. Hey, $1 million bet. I'm a better all on the music, no sweat. On guard if you're ready for the action. Lot of y'all the folks I keep yapping. I be tapped in, plumber get cracking. See my old homie say what's happening. See I op what's happening. Oh you good man, I holla back then.
Alrighty, we got the lunch. We are ready to go. Huge shout out to Thrive Market for sponsoring today's video and helping me get the best snacks in my lunchbox. Guys, I have been getting so hungry at work. I don't know if it's a day shift thing, but I am like constantly snacking and always in need of snacks. I've been like wasting so much money at the hospital buying food there because I just never have enough. So I was like, you know what? We have to figure out our snack situation. So huge shout out to Thrive Market for hooking it up and getting me set up with the best snacks. We're gonna cue the unboxing video of all the amazing things that I got restocked on.
I don't stay in these lines.
You guys, I just got my Thrive Market box and I'm so excited to do a little bit of an unboxing. If you guys don't know what Thrive Market is, it is an online shopping marketplace with a mission to make healthy living affordable and accessible. Literally, if you find a product somewhere else that's cheaper, they will price match it. It's so nice. And they have the best selection of snacks and everything. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in my box. Item number 1, Boom Chicka Pop. If you guys haven't tried this popcorn, it's like a kettle corn. This is so delicious. I'm gonna bring this to work tomorrow. They're all packaged so nicely. I'm so excited about this one. If you guys haven't tried this brand, this is the Rouse pasta sauce. It's incredible and it's this huge jar. I got the tomato basil flavor. This is like usually pretty expensive stuff and I'm gonna put on the screen how much I paid for it at Thrive Market, which is pretty amazing. I got some salsa because it's nice just to be able to like have this in your pantry. I feel like sometimes I want salsa and I'm out. This is something new. I love that they have a bunch of fun snacks that I've never heard of that are a little bit more on the healthy side. They also have like your classic not healthy snacks too, but these are the solely organic mango and guava whole fruit gummies and they have 3 ingredients and a ton of vitamin C and I love gummy snacks. If you know me, I'm like basically a child. These will go into my work bag or in my pocket for skiing. I don't know what I'm most excited for, but it could be these because my current obsession right now, it's Poppy. They're like a healthy version of soda and I got the raspberry rose flavor, which I've never tried, but I heard good things. And then my favorite flavor, strawberry lemon. These are super nice to have at work or like when I'm coming home for work and I just feel like I want something different to drink than just like water. And these things are usually $2.99, $3 at the grocery store. And I got these for less than $2. This is a red coconut curry like sauce. And I just think that this makes dinner so easy. I just get some rice, veggies, chicken, put it all together and then I cook it in this sauce. Thrive Market also has a bunch of other products besides just food things. They've got cosmetics, they've got cleaning products, anything that you can really think of for your home. I got some more cleaner for my kitchen. This is the Rosy all-purpose cleaner and fresh lemon. This is just nice to like wipe off the kitchen counters or table after I'm done cooking. Bonza pastas, and they are pastas made from chickpeas, so they're a little bit healthier and they have a ton of protein in them. My uncle actually is obsessed with this brand, so I've never tried it and I really want to try it. I got another raspberry rosé Poppy because, you know. We love the poppy. The last thing I got is something that is also my favorite. These are the Tate's cookies. My whole family is obsessed with these cookies. If you guys want to try Thrive Market for yourself and save a bunch of money on your favorite products, they have a couple different membership options. You can pay monthly for $12.99 a month, or you can subscribe for the year, which brings the membership cost down to $5 a month. You're guaranteed to make your membership costs back with all the amount of savings. And you guys can click the link in my description box or go to thrivemarket.com/Kiara Madisen, and you can save 30% on your first order and get a free gift worth $60. So excited to restock my pantry. I'm so excited to work with them. I've been wanting to work with Thrive Market forever. Okay, got the AirPods. I just need to get a vest. I'm not really doing a good job of coordinating my outfit today. I'm gonna do the blue vest. I look kind of like an Easter egg. There's a lot of colors going on here, but it's not my greatest work. I have a feeling my foot is gonna be hurting me all day. Use this, people, as your lesson to wear shoes around the house, like slippers or something when you're doing laundry. My mom was yelling at me for that. Let's hope the Hokas come in handy with the foot support that my body needs. Backpack check. I left my water bottle at work, so I don't need that. Lunch check. Let's go. Guys, this is my 4th shift this week because I picked up for someone today, and then I already picked up on Wednesday. So this is like, we've gone to work a lot. I really hope we're a good assignment. I really want who I had.
I don't stay in these lands. Anyways, no.
Alas, it is lunchtime. We're gonna have a little poppy from Thrive Market. Eating up my pasta right now. I've had a busy morning. I had 2 patients and then immediately took a PICU transfer. I've just been getting her all settled. Frost and stuff off the list. It's making the day go by fast, so I cannot complain. Finally on break. I'm having a very busy day, and my lovely coworkers are helping me with my PICU transfer patient because there's so much to do on her. So they're like, go on break and we will do my to-do list. I had to write it on a sticky note because I was like, there's so much. She came up with like so many lines that I have to like get her all situated before night shift. So they're being very nice, and I'm gonna go sit in the massage chair. Yeah, I'm ready. We beat her. Let's just wait for her. We did it, you guys. We survived our shift. It was busy. It was crazy. We rallied. My amazing coworkers helped me out. All is well. I got everything checked off on my to-do list that I wanted. So that always feels good. And now I get to relax a little bit, but also I have such a busy weekend because I'm going to the desert tomorrow to go visit my dad and hang out with him and help him out because he has like a little miniature container house of his dreams. And so I happen to have 5 days off after this shift. And I was like, this is the beauty of nursing. I can literally just book a one-way ticket and then help him drive back the 17 hours from California to Oregon. That's what we're gonna do, but I have a lot of packing and prepping. I need to get my apartment clean and all ready to go. I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner. A part of me was like, oh, I'm gonna cook like a whole dish, but then sometimes you have like a really busy day like this and I'm like, I simply cannot cook. I believe I have some frozen leftovers. It might be more pasta. I might just eat it. I might just heat it up, clear some space in the fridge. Feel like that's the game plan because it's just like a rainy Saturday. Yeah, today was really good. I got to work with like some of my friends who I love so much, and it just is like, even though I didn't get to see them a lot today, it's so comforting like knowing that your friends are there and like you can always call someone. It's the beauty of nursing. And we had some like really good chats, especially about life in pediatric oncology and as a nurse processing like everything that we see and things that are challenging for us and how we feel as nurses that sometimes like we know so much of what a family is going to go through in their journey, and it can be so difficult to be be meeting them for the first time, processing with them grief of their past life. I talk about this all the time. I love my job and it has given me a whole new world perspective and a lot of gratitude in this world, but it's also has its challenges, you know, and so I think it's healthy to have this work-life balance as a nurse and to be able to get away. Sometimes just like being in a different atmosphere also helps you think about things and process things. That's my deep car chat for today. I just thought it was like really nice to be able to talk about that with a coworker who really gets it. Face is washed, pajamas on, dinner is being defrosted, and I have my to-do list to take everything up here and put it on here. I think I'm going to talk to you guys tomorrow because probably the rest of the night I'm going to spend watching the Dance Moms tell-all documentary thing, and then I'll probably call Doug to plan what I need to pack, and I may start making some piles. That would be productive of me. We'll see. I'm literally so tired of talking today because all I've been doing is talking to nurses and patients and doctors, and I'm talked out. I'm gonna commence Zen mode, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
I want you to know how I feel. Though I may say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out for you. So listen here. I want this all to be.
Good morning. Today is Sunday. I woke up early simply so that I could give myself like a relaxing Sunday morning. So that's what we're doing. We've got our avocado toast and our egg. I'm having some fruit, trying to eat up whatever is left in my fridge because I'm gonna be gone for like 5 days. So we have so much to do, but I think it's all possible. I just have to keep moving. My goal is to take a shower because I'm basically gonna be clamping for a while. And then I need to gather some of my stuff. My suitcase is at my parents' house, so I can't even like fully pack it, but I need to get it all together and then probably go to my parents' house at like 11 so that my mom and I can leave for the airport at like 12:30. I'm excited to get away and go on a little adventure. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then we're gonna get the packing and the cleaning started. I want to take out my trash, like stuff like that. I love coming home to a clean apartment. It's so important to me before a vacation. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean it up. I just made such a mess. I just dropped my knife and got egg and avocado all over. I think we solved the problem. We are in the final stretch. I have less than an hour to blow dry my hair, to re-straighten the hair, and actually I haven't even started packing. I would say my carry-on bag is kind of packed, and then I have to take out the trash. At least my apartment is like generally pretty clean. Got major stuff to do in a very short period of time, but it's not like we haven't done it before, so we will do it again. It's so much stuff to do. We're gonna make it happen. Anyway, I'm just giving you an update that if I don't talk to you for a while, that's why, because we're in power mode. I will talk to you guys wherever we're headed next.
I want you to know how I feel.
You guys, we did it. We finished packing. Everything is in cubes. I just need to literally toss it into my suitcase. Have the extra pair of shoes I'm gonna bring. This is my plain outfit. Jackets Viore, pants Viore. I have a Madewell shirt. I straightened my hair, so now we are all ready. I'm gonna put all of that stuff into one big bag and then we're gonna drive to my parents' house and let's go to the airport.
Just a bit of the same. And come over, baby, stop playing this game. We haven't known each other long, but God, it's easier to say what I feel when I
officially Monday, and I forgot to finish the video yesterday because I got so distracted. I made it to the desert. This is what it looks like right now. I put in some clips of our walk today. My dad and I are working on the second container house. Basically, since I've never really explained this, my dad grew up in California and his family would always come and hang out in the desert, so he bought this piece of property when I was like 7, I think, and he bought a container which is over there, which is where we're staying, and it has like bunk beds. It's kind of like more like glamping, a little bit more junky. Well, this container is what he got this year, and this is going to be the guest house, aka my house. And so I'm helping design it to be like modern sanctuary, you know, think peaceful Airbnb. We're not planning on Airbnb-ing it, but just to have like, so that one, I have like my own place to stay, and two, when we have friends come and visit, they have a place to stay. So that's what we're working on now. Here's the quick little tour. We put the doors on today, and then here's the inside. It's like a 20-foot container, and of course it's just got all the tools and everything, but it's gonna have like a miniature sort of bathroom. Everything's gonna be solar powered. There's gonna be a bed here, a little sitting area, so it'll be cool. I'm thinking of doing like light floors. We're gonna try to put maybe a skylight in the top back corner over there. It's a little bit precarious. We have the screws in place, but it's not locked in. But yeah, that's what we've been up to today. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'm just gonna hang out here, relax, help Doug explore more cool boulders and stuff. But I wanted to thank you guys for watching. Today's question of the day is gonna be, what is one place that you guys like to go to relax, like to just get away, a sanctuary for yourself? Comment that down below. Huge shout out to Thrive Market again for sponsoring this video. You guys can check out the link in my description box to sign up and get 30% off your first order, as well as a free gift worth up to $60. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.